So tell me your name and where you currently work.
So my name is Malcolm Davis, and I currently work for Selected Incorporated. We are a teacher and school matching platform located here in New York City.
Great. What are three things that every student should have for their demo lesson plan?
Well, number one, every student should have a clear and concise plan for getting to the lesson on time, because being on time is paramount. Number two, you should always have all of your materials with you. Never rely on the school to provide you technology or like anchor chart paper or anything. Bring your lesson plans, bring all your materials with you, always be prepared. And number three, you should always bring at least two questions to ask the school. So usually once you're done with your sample lesson and you get to an in-person interview, they'll give you an opportunity to ask questions about the school or your experience. Always be prepared to ask a question. I've seen recruiters really mix people and take them out of the running because they didn't have any questions to ask. So always be on time, be prepared, bring your sample lesson and your resources with you, and then of course always have questions to ask at the very end.
Great, thank you. And do you have any pieces of advice for students?
The best thing that I can say is align your passion and what you care about and like your pedagogical sort of philosophy with the schools that you work at. A lot of people usually go for the first opportunity that's presented to them or where they get paid the most money. But does that school really meet your requirements as far as like helping you with professional development, curriculum writing, behavioral management? Like, do they really line up with what you care about? If they do, that sounds like a great opportunity. If not, continue to forge forward, believe in yourself as an educator, and find the best opportunity for yourself so that you'll be happy.
Thank you so much. We really appreciate it.